apple, oh so fine. F sound all the time. B is for ball, bouncing high. B sound reaching the sky. C is for cat, curl up tight. K, shining bright. D is for dog, wagging tail. Happy trail. E is for elephant, big and gray. F, every day. F is for fish, swimming free under the sea. Phonics, fun to learn. Sounds and letters every turn. Read and write is easy as can be. Phonics, come along with me. G is for giraffe, stretching high, touching the sky. H is for hat, wearing with pride, bound side by side. I is for igloo, cold and icy, means wintry sky. J is for jellyfish, wiggly and bright, shining light. K is for kite, flying high, touching the sky. L is for lion, roaring loud, proud, crowd and crowd. M is for mouse, squeaking fast, quick at last. N is for nest, cozy and tight, legally tight. Phonics, fun to learn. Sounds and letters every turn. Read and write is easy as can be. Phonics, come along with me. O is for ocean, waves so blue, sailing anew. P is for penguin, waddling along, singing a song. Q is for queen, royal and grand, taking command. R is for robot, beeping loud, moving proud. S is for sun, shining bright, warm delight. T is for tiger, roaring strong, all day long. Phonics, fun to learn. Sounds and letters every turn. Read and write is easy as can be. Phonics, come along with me. U is for umbrella, rainy day, finding way. V is for violin, playing sweet, skipping beat. W is for whale, swimming deep, ocean king keep. X is for X-ray, seeing inside, medical guide. Y is for yellow, bright and bold, stories unfold. Z is for zebra, black and white, day and night. Phonics, fun to learn.